You ever thought suicidal at all, maybe, or just like?
I mean, I've always been suicidal. Take a seat. Sit down, little. You move too fast. As when she say, you take a joke too far.
Holy man joke. Lighting on town of the yard and the man them. How a boy. You said the goddess of
I-Octane link up with Baby Cham and Governor at RETV's 20th anniversary celebration, and it was pure greatness. 3 real artists from different eras, reasoning, laughing, and showing nothing but respect. Cham, a legend from the 90s. I-Octane, the 4th Jenna boss, and Governor holding down the new wave. They reason about the journey, the growth, and the realness of the music. You could feel the unity, no hype, just love for dancehall and the culture. A moment like this remind we of the old days when artists used to build together, not war every minute. But enough talking. Watch the video for yourself.
No, man, yeah, man. That'll be I. Hello, pussy time. Yeah. Slow it down now. Yeah, man. Which is right. Come like one. Holy man joke. Lighting on town of the yard and the man them. How a boy. You said the goddess of
This one reel. Now to Jada Kingdom. She's back in the spotlight. This time not for her music, but for her performance skills. A few clips from a recent show started circulating, and let's just say, some folks weren't impressed. A popular TikToker went so far to say she wouldn't even pay to see Jada live. That's harsh, but Jada didn't take it lying down. She responded confidently, saying while she might not perform like Beyonce, she still managed to lock in 6 more bookings since that show. And to be fair, bookings talk louder than TikTok comments, right? Still, this brings up a bigger question about expectations for female performers in dancehall. Spice is known for high-energy shows, so naturally, people compare. But is that fair? Every artist have their own style. Jada seems more chill and sultry. Is that a bad thing? What do you think? Is the criticism valid, or people just quick to judge? Drop a comment.
Like, if the show was so terrible, I wouldn't just get 6 new bookings. Like, it's insane, but it is what it is. I love it, walk it, we're not great, oh well. Like, I'm not gonna say me a Beyonce, no, but happens. I wasn't feeling it. It was evident. I'm sorry. Like, I can't have my emotions. About to pop out with a new DJ. Happens, man. What can I say? I was not feeling it. Not everybody hating me for what? Like, I'm sorry.
Moving on to Lisa Hyper. She officially touched down in the US. And of course, the rumors flying like mad birds. People saying she might try to visit Vybz Kartel himself. Now hold on, let's unpack this. Some folks think that's impossible. Others believe it could happen, but question if it's smart right now, especially considering past issues. Yo, Beenie shelled down the stage in St. Lucia like a Category 5 break. People were on their feet, singing every line, from Who Am I, Sim Simmer, to King of the Dancehall. Was it just a concert? felt like a revival. What I found powerful was that even after decades of business, Beanie still moved with sharpness and pride. He proved once again why he's still one of the most respected names in dancehall. This performance is a lesson for younger artists. Longevity don't come from clout. They come from consistency and connection with the people. Who do you think could be the next Beenie Man in terms of lasting power? Drop your thoughts.
Bible in the name of Jesus Christ as we give the name of Jesus Christ. If you're a Muslim, Assalamu alaikum. But I greet in the name of the Most High Emperor Yahya King Selassie. I love you so much. I'm drinking rum.
Let's shift over to a deeper story. Vybz Kartel recently opened up in a rare moment of vulnerability. He spoke about how hard it's been being away from his family, especially watching his sons grow without him. He said that struggle pushed him closer to God. He even said if people doubt God is real, just look at his life. That's his proof. Kartel also shared that he used to feel untouchable, like nothing could bring him down. But the experience humbled him. He said sometimes God has to sit you down so you can reflect. Now, this ain't something we usually hear from Kartel. It shows a level of growth. He's not just thinking about lyrics and rhythms. He's thinking about legacy, purpose, and giving back. He even credited Bounty Killer for helping him in his early days and said he's trying to pass that same energy forward, whether it's producers, young artists, or even people behind the scenes. He confirmed that a major album deal is in the works and the album is geared towards the ladies. First single already out, called Pretty Girls. Are you ready for more mature Kartel? Or do you prefer the old, raw Gaza era? Let's reason it out.
Yeah. So to watch them grow up in the Caribbean, in that atmosphere, and you're not there, you know, as a parent, that kind of hits you where it hurts, you know?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Plus, like I said, even your relationship with your woman and, you know what I mean, your relationship with just your family in general.
Yeah.
All of that kind of goes through the window and you have to start over. It's like you're in a different world. Not like, you are in a different world. Literally,
yeah.
Physically and mentally. You know what I mean? So I had to be strong, man. And trust me, at one point, man, I had to just call on God. And just be like, God, I need your help.
Did you ever, before you got to that point where you called on God, did you feel like, man, you ever thought suicidal at all, maybe? Or just like...
I mean, I've always been suicidal. You know what I mean? You see how I jump on the beat and I'm killing the beat that I'm on. That's dangerous. That's what I'm saying. But at no time, I even TJ can tell you, like the viral slang says, ask TJ. I never at any point doubted that I was gonna come out.
Oh wow.
Never.
Wow.
Never.
But at one point, I just needed something without.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, I have the strength from within. So I just needed something without that. And, you know what I mean, reading the Bible, growing up, going to Sunday school, we always heard that if when you're in trouble, you can call on God, man. And that's what I did for my strength. Because I was about to die in there. No
with the
cap.
health issues and all
With
that.
health issues and everything, no cap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, and trust me, God came through, man. And like I said, man, nobody can tell me God don't exist, bro. Like, if I had doubts before,
Right.
or if you had doubts before, look at my life and tell me you don't believe in a God.
No, listen.
Jesus, no Allah, no nothing. I had like Slash and Blast and, you know, we were trying our little thing.
Yeah,
and Killer was like, what you want, Kartel? I found gang in a me gang. Say got Bounty Killer the boss. Yeah, man. So yeah, no, it's just pay forward because you get blessed. Bless up some people, man. You have a deal pending?
Yeah.
You have a deal pending.
Okay.
Major deal. It's gonna be big. I'm telling you so. We're working on the album right now. And trust me, when I say this album, first of all, it's for the ladies. It's for the ladies. Fellas, don't feel left out. You know what I mean? But this album, trust me, it's gonna create waves, man. God say, yo, take a seat. Sit down, little. You move too fast. As when she say, you take a joke too far. Just relax. Yeah, me are the man. You know what I mean? I'm a vessel. And just cool me off. And even when I just got arrested, like in them times, I was still in my element. Like, who do they think they are?
Yeah.
And you know what I mean? But over time, and it's not just with being in prison, but just maturity, ages.
And finally, Foota Hype is standing firm once again. People been clowning him, saying he broke, saying he washed up, some even calling for his cancellation. But Foota came out swinging. He said from 2001 until now, he's held on to his beliefs. Never switched up, never bowed to pressure. He even said, Even if me have to go do 9 to 5, me too blessed to fall. He's also known for calling out what he sees as nastiness in the industry. And while people criticize him for it, he says at least he's speaking truth. Others admit to doing wild things in public, and nobody bats an eye. Now, whether or not you agree with Foota, you can't deny he's consistent. In a world where people flip-flop to stay relevant, that counts for something. So here's my question to you. Do you think Foota is standing on principles or just stirring controversy? Should he back off or keep speaking his mind? Let me know below.
I'm the man of the moment. I am the man. I are the one. And what people need to understand, you know, me not have time to worry about what people I say after me say what me I say already, you know. Now make no sense. Jazzy T, we are dealing. Me still straight. Me still not eat no front. Me still not sex no bottom. How they not talk about them good qualities there? You know, you know landlord that say Foota to come out of them place. You know, you know eviction. So them things they no count. Yeah. Them things they no count. Easy like Sunday morning, man. You know? Thank you, Hazel Eyes. What them fi understand, you know? You see, the speakers of truth and the defenders of righteousness will not have all the material things, you know, and will not have all the glamour and the glitter that catches the eye, but will be very, very, very great and have an abundance of blessings and good things where you can't see with your natural eye. You hear them tell us, and everything will glitter is gold. You hear that? So, we say, let them fall to their own demise, those who have risen against me, those who team up to try hurt the Lord's anointed or water down the Lord's anointed. You understand? Yeah. So, remember, everybody not gonna like me, cause me not like shaky people. See? Me not work with doodle people. So all of that's the region there, and for them people, them not gonna like me. See? Remember, say me not eat front, me not support front eating people. So all of what eat front and for them following not gonna like me. Remember, say me not endorse our artists them are sing about sucking and threesome and the bag of nasty thing them. So the whole of them will do that and feed them audience and followers not gonna like me. You understand? One thing me learn about life. One cocoa full basket. Me no red eye. Me nah go sell myself or lose myself. We have all of these abundance that the devil is giving to people to make them look like them are the big thing at the moment. I've been here for years. My boss from 2001. Now we're in a 2025. Me not easily frightened. Me not easily detracted. Them can't shoot me off of my pivot foot with them material things and all of what them I do. Me there, and me hold my course, and me stay in the lane where me there, and me nah switch up. Me nah switch up. Me love my mother bad. My mother always tell me, say, ban your belly, hold your one. Some boy must feel like, say, hungry or brokenness could have made me lose myself if me did even broke and hungry. When me I go high school and my mother now no money, she tell me the remedy of to stop hungry. My mother tell me the remedy of to stop hungry. She said, when you go to school, if you know make no money off of the sweetie them when me give you sell, buy a ice cement and drink water. And it go feel like your belly full. You hear me say to you? My mother say buy a ice cement and drink water with it. And it go make you feel like your belly full. So me now, in my big man stage, fi make true licky. People diss me. Fi make true licky. People walk by me. No. Nope. My granny used to always tell me, say, do not pay dear to go in high company. If me have to lose myself and take disrespect and violation if sit at the high table, me stand up a ground. Me will stand up a ground. Yeah. You understand? So me alright. When me hear people I say, people beat me bad. Sometimes, alright, you see internet, it proves to you say, whole heap of people illiterate. It proves to you say, whole heap of people don't know to differentiate what makes sense from what is garbage. It also shows you say, people bored and we accept anything as entertainment. See? When you say somebody beat somebody bad, how it makes sense when everything with them attack are illusion? The way me powerful, people tell themselves lie and believe it and speak upon it as if it's the truth. You ever see a man tell a lie, no lie him tell himself say, I did shoot him attack, then believe it, and then turn around be him own audience and cheer for the lie when him tell, when him believe say a true, when him act like say a true. Yeah, man? Wow. Crazy. Me there, remember, you know, them say the worst things them about me, you know. The worst things them say about me. But they are firing now approximately 7 years and no leaves in. Them say me don't live now, you know. Remember good. I mean say man, you know. Them say me not in a car. Them say me a walk foot. Then them say me live in a car. So first me not in a car, then me live in a car. First me live in a barber shop. Then me live in a car. Them don't know what they want about me, you know. Them say me have bracelet on my foot. Them say me not have a bracelet on my foot. Them say me a mad out. Them say me not mad out. Yeah. Me just know say, you see when you defend righteousness and you speak in the right way, people not gonna like you. People not gonna say yes, you are their more favorite person. You understand what I say? So, all of we here have me up, you know. Or anybody will hear them and say, oh, when I like Foota, when I deal, ask them what him do. How him did say again. And them would have wish if me would have not say nothing. You know? When them do fuckery, Foota not say nothing. You understand? And like today, me laugh, you know. Because today, me see a comment from a page. So the boy I say, we don't know if a boy or a girl, but in the way how the comment right, I know a fake page. In the way how the comment right, the person I say, yeah man, I'm dying for them dip you and send you to Jamaica. I could run a rat race for fly your bat. So, it give me a little flashback, you know? And me I say, as a straight man, as a man who defend man and woman and defend so much moral values, right? How the energy to kill me is always so high. You never notice it? Every time me and somebody get in a disagreement, right? Like artists or public figure, anytime me and them get in a disagreement, the energy is always to kill Foota. Always flying back. Always take him 3 points. But when me hear the shit in a play people them, this the same artist them, or this the same public figure. Because me not diss them, you know. Me address the truth. Me hear people diss them. I'll tell them about them mother. Batty man tell them about them mother. Lesbian tell them about them mother. Me hear Batty man. I call them said artists a Batty man. And a lot of things. I mean never hear them comment section or them following. I say them for dead. I mean see them go to Jamaica and party and go up and sound and take microphone and talk and nobody know want to kill them. Shatter them gun now work them time there. The bad people them run the artists them knife now work them time there. Them hand freeze them can't cut nobody no box. But them can't wait to see me for take me 3 points. Why? Where's them all go jump carnival jazzy? Exactly. Me see Sprat with this artist wicked. Gala carnival. In a G-string and thing. And nothing to do them. And nothing to do them. But somebody and Foota have a disagreement. Foota fi dead. Foota 3 points to take. So me I wonder. Sometimes make you wonder, you know. If them artists here and them entourage straight, it make you really wonder, you know. Them couldn't straight. Cause why you want to kill Foota? When Foota say something logical and truthful, while you have shit in a plate people, lesbian and Batty man, and this the artist brawling. This the artist them brawling, tell them all about them mother, beating. And come to Jamaica and roam free. And go to all your regular events and roam free. Me tell y'all, man a diss me, when me never diss yet. Me never talk about them yet. Never mention them yet. Me tell y'all, man a cuss me, and me no know them. Man will say them in a music and me no know them. First thing, if me have to tell you, say, and me name Foota Hype, and me a selector, that means, say, me no worthy, me no deserve for the point to talk about nobody. If me have to tell you who me is and what me do. That means me are not part of this industry. I try forward in. But, you know, Jamaica was a mad place though. Let me ask you something. Doing a 9 to 5 is something wrong? But more know what's wrong with 9 to 5. So, say times get really hard now. And we have to do a 9 to 5. Who shame if you do a 9 to 5? Someone has say, go do some work. Nothing would do wrong if me do a 9 to 5, but I gladly do it. Would I gladly do it. If my life, if Jah choose say, my life, zine, I go certain way and make figure look at 9 to 5. Me wouldn't have no problem. Them never used to do 9 to 5 before me become Foota Hype, the selector, the celebrity. Me used to do 9 to 5. Me used to work at Jade Garden, the waiter in work. Me used to work at hardware. Me used to work at thermoplastic. Someone know what the problem. Only a batty man mindset would have tell you say something wrong with 9 to 5. Only a man will love likes would have tell you say something wrong with a 9 to 5. Tell me the truth now. A man I say go look at 9 to 5 like a something wrong. Nothing wrong with 9 to 5. And this is America. America full of opportunity. And I own my own vehicle them. Me can go deliver prescription. Me can go do Grubhub or me can go do DoorDash. Me can do Lyft. Me can anything. Anything. My brother Rockers have a restaurant in Atlanta. Big up Rockers. Me can go up there go wash 2 plates and fry 2 dumplings. My brother Junior's King have big trucking company. Me can go up and go load on 2 cars and do 2 things. So what me not understand, me not get it. Me not over so them I say. Me never know say doing a 9 to 5 is embarrassing. If me calculate most of the people them in the world, a 9 to 5 them do. And some people have 1 to 5, because some people own them own business. Alright, see Jazzy T say Barbican Square can hire me right now. Alright, if no bookings not to go on and selecting not go on, me can go do review, food review, and just go be a restaurant, go consume food and review it. A Foota Hype my name. But you know, people want project by your people want project by your what they would like see. You understand? They would like to see me can't find food. They would like to see me can't get no work. They would like to see me homeless. They would like to see me careless. They would like to see me at them doorstep of beg bread. But it will never happen. Britannia, I know if them not coming in, them can't get no visa. Watch how them are cut up this now and use it. And even if them not use it, them will go up on them live and talk about me. And talk about when me say or when me never say. I am the man. It can't happen. Lady enchanting, it can't happen. Me too blessed. You see me? And them love talk about, oh, Jamaica. Me live at Jamaica. Them money I go like me never live at Jamaica. How when me there at Jamaica, none of them never box me and lick me in my face and do nothing at talk. So me don't know when that got happen. Money I wish boy I do that when me go back to Jamaica. Me not say me can't get beat up or me can't, but y'all niggas know what the fuck you talking about. Y'all know you can't play with me. Right? If them so bad, man, if you just run across the border, man, and come beat up Foota. Cross the border and come beat me up, man. If it's so serious, man, swim, come cross. No, but Deaky Spliff, them don't want to talk about the plaque when me get. Them don't want to talk about none of the good things them when me go on with. Them don't want to talk about none of the good places when me play, none of the big event them when me play. Because when me talk about straightness and them things, that hurt them. When me talk about the hypocrisy within the music, it hurt them. When me tell some artists to clean up on the content, stop singing them so-called thing there, and them we have data. You understand what I say? When me say, yo, artists, now if you're gonna batty man show, cause we have a picnic them and grow. At that, them hate me find a foot and I do them nothing. You know? More than stand up for straightness, you know? That's it. Nothing else me not do them. Me still play them music. Me still play them music. Which artist music me not play? from the music good. But me I got hold on accountable when I do foolishness. And that then hate me for. So guess what? If I that you not gonna hate me, if I continue hating me, cause from God love me, alright, you know. From me I do the right thing, you know. In the eyes of the Almighty, me good, you know. Missy man forward and come tell the whole of dancehall, say, him get him back and play with. The man say, him get him back and play with. And him have to ask himself, say, God, why do I love this? And me see, people still at arms and glove him. Man in the music was say them straight. Man in the music was say them a bad man. I say them a bad man DJ. And them would have want Foota fi dead. But them would have want the man we a batty man. We get him batty play with. Fi live. Ear say. We ear say. Somebody play the man batamina. The man say it all the time own a mouth. Say him get him batty play with and him like it. That's him affair ask God. Say why him like this? He man? Like seriously? I'll block you. I mean I hear nobody I say that boy they fi dead. Or that boy they shaky. Them I say me fi dead. And me see man post with him and take picture after that and cool with him and them thing there. So me just assure you, the righteous will not be favored by the multitude. You see me? Yeah, so true me is a man we burn it out and call it out now. Them not like me. Zin, them not like me, but hey, as what me I say, from me have life, me have roof over my head, me have food in my belly, me good. Me not have everything in the world. Me not have the most money in the world, and me not have the most vanity in the world. Me good. The Almighty want me have a reason, and that's why I'm there. And me not stop burning fire. And me not stop call out foolishness when me see it. So for that, make a plan for Ku Klux Foota Hype, musically, and so it go. When Gregory Isaac sing One Man Against the World, me probably never did ban it. Is a reason why I'm singing it. When Sugar Minot sing, I'm never gonna give Jah up. No matter what they say, never gonna give Jah up. You know along that? Yeah. Yep. Me nah make true no vanity. Nah make true no vanity. And no pain there if you go in a high company, me nah stay straight. Because you can't say you're straight and then I move lean. You know? I have straight and straight all the time. You see me? You see it, Deaky Spliff, you know it go, man. Kiddie container, you know the thing going on, the shrimps, you know. A mad thing, man. Yeah, man. So, me just hold my own, you see it? Kishima Francis from IRFM. You know me respect you and me rate you. You work for Irie and thing. Don't become like the vlogger them where I eat a food vlogger. Me not too like the caption them where you write. You write them in a way like you style me neatly. But you do it like you just write a headline, but the headline are always swinging to styling me. Fix up that here. Me you good and everything. Fix up that. Write your caption them in a way will make it make sense. Don't write them in a way like you need style me or you know? I kind of see it. And it happen over and over. Remember, me have a problem with you if you want to style me too, you know, but just do it brawling and just no bother make me good there. But I have it say, he's a neutral person because he's a media house person, so you keep the thing neutral, but you look like you make the views thing and get to you. Because you write a caption them like a me, your style. You not write a neutral caption. You understand what I'm saying? So I just short you out still. You see me? Make you know. Because views are mash up the whole of people, boy, you know. Through them want to get views, you know? And them know say I Foota the views God. Yeah. So I watch you all of them, you know. I watch you all of them. You see me? Me not change my stance on righteousness for please nobody. Me not go take no disrespect to please nobody. And me not go, oh, yeah man, through that person I think up now. Them are going to fuck you and me not going to say nothing. Yeah man. Me can't talk about anybody when I want to talk about because nobody not a secret for me. That's the difference with me and them. And that's what I not understand. All them have money. And me have money too. I just not have as much money as them. But me have more blessings. And me have more dignity and more pride and more honor. And more stability than them. And me can walk with me higher than them. Me block you too. Yeah, so my thing, I look for me match up to people with money. No. And blessings may I use for match up. You understand? Blessings may I use for match up, not money. My soul belongs to me. I still have that. Me still have my soul. Some of them lose them soul, them mouth and them body wall. But if you are listening to somebody where you don't know, and you end up going to listen to them, are your fault that Foota can be held accountable if you don't listen to idiot and not listen to some fool? Because you go over there, see say that person you attack, you don't know them, and them are idiot, but you still over there listen to them. And them are the idiot, or you are the idiot. Because if you take your quality time, go listen to idiot. I don't feel them fault that. Are your fault? Are you an idiot? First things first, if you don't notice me, go look at any one of them page. You not see me I follow them. A one page me have, when me use on a this, you not see me I follow them. Me not watch them live. If people not cut out piece and show me, or tag me not see. Here and a chrome as black in a go on, man. So, me not understand. Oh, you no cuss the man. Oh, you no cuss the man. We avoid people. Say him at the toughest thing. And say him a buy out people business. When me not talk to none of them people here, we are cuss me on the internet, me not talk to them, me not talk about them. Not at all. Me not talk about artists, or public figure, or social commentary. Things we have to do with me. Things that affect me. Me I talk about myself. And them a cuss me for somebody else. Remember none of them people here where cuss me, you know. Me and them not have no problem, you know. Me and them never have a problem yet, you know. Up to now, me and them still not have a problem, you know. So all them so invested in a cussing me and talking about me. And then you say I'm me bad man. Or you can just attack and cuss a man whenever they nothing. But I him bad man. Yo, me have to laugh. Me have to laugh because me never see them. Me never talk about them. Me talk about myself and what me and people have, what kind of problem me and people have, and them kind of something. Black nation. A black nation defending the black nation. Yeah, that bad. It's the black nation defending the black nation. Bad, bad, bad. Yeah, Megavic, make it make sense. Make it make sense. If you there somewhere, You no trouble nobody. You sit down and look out at space. Zine, and attack about yourself. And everybody attack you. Oh, you be the bad man one. That makes sense? You remember one brother named Bob Marley, right? You remember them say my antagonist, them say him against the law, them say a bag of things. Because at the time, when he must say what he must say, he must crush the can of the colonizers them, the oppressors them never like Bob Marley because of way he must speak in our music. So even some of the same black people them, where Bob did a sing the thing them for fight against Bob, you know. After Bob dropped Flesh, couple years after them I said Bob the greatest, up to now Bob the greatest. Why them never recognize him as the greatest when him they attack the things them, when him attack them? It just show you. Remember them murder Malcolm X and Martin Luther King them for the truth. And if we even want to go outside of the black box, we want to make them kill Kennedy. Can't attack the truth, say black people if you get some justice and something. You understand? So when me attack the truth, one of the things say me no know the struggle and the consequences when me I go face because me I speak the truth and because me righteous, you never know. Me know say backlash I go forward. Me know say them I go try to fight me out of work. Me know them I go try to do one bag of thing. But guess what me also know? Me also know say the righteous can never fail. And me always know say the righteous can never suffer. The Almighty will never allow the righteous to suffer. Here the only time you suffer. When you put your viewpoint at material things. And me not do that. Me can ride a bicycle and still be Foota Hype. Me can drive a Corolla and still be Foota Hype. Me can drive a Rolls Royce and still be Foota Hype. Me can own a private jet and still be Foota Hype. It's not the material that define who Foota Hype is. I'm a character, I'm an inner person where me export out for the world see. That is what defines Foota Hype. So if you take away all the material things, me still be Foota Hype. And me still I gotta stand on righteousness. Me I gotta stand on righteousness. Me I gotta still defend righteousness. Me I gotta still approve righteous acts. And me still I gotta approve righteous behavior. So what not gonna do? What not gonna do? You can't stop it. It's like the wind. How you stop it? How you can stop the wind? If you lock your door, it go under the door. And if you can stop water, you can't stop wind, you know? The wind is unstoppable. So people, never make them dim in the light. Never make them go on like them want to make them feel like on a lesser than themselves. Because of material things. Material things fade. Material things have time limit on it. The 300D Benz where used to run the place when Radigan and them about and it run the place now. Escalade van where it come lock on the whole place. Nobody don't want to see it now. I dopey them use it, care and rubbish. Don't make nobody frightened with material things. You hear that? No man now own the house same time as the next man. Different time everybody own them things. So we not worry. We not fret. I go and burn the fire upon them nasty rascal, you see. And now stop burning. Whether or not artist, media man, magla, public, defend, I don't care what it is, as long as you're in a public space and over here,